Buenos días amigos, aquí continuamos con nuestro proyecto, parte del ADU. Good morning everybody, we're continues working on the ADU. Part of the project is the installation of the solar panels. Parte del proyecto es la instalación de los paneles solares. Aquí tenemos el equipo de paneles solares, la compañía solar instalando lo que es la parte donde van los paneles solares, todo el marco de los paneles, lo que sostiene. We are here today checking our projects, and we have the solar team working on the framing where they're going to install the solar panels. So this is part of the framing. Right now they're taking a break and they're working on the roofs. This is the framing of the solar panels. So this is really interesting, and we're recording everything for our memories and for our channel. So I'm going up. And this is the framing of the panels. Nice. Oh wow, nice. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.